Ignore the bits and bobs on my shelf here. This is actually a little review for the shelf unit on top of my shelves. This is the Alitaru 3-tier sort of black metal and veneer wood shelving doohickey thing here that I got. And I actually got two of them. Let me move to the other one. Okay, this is probably a better view of the product. You can see that it's 3 tiers here, and that I've currently got my Arabic perfumes put on here. And the main reason I got these two shelves was not for the purpose of showcasing my perfumes, but actually it was more for the fact that I make candles, and I wanted something to display my candles on when I go to markets and things in a way that looked a little bit more professional, and that, you know, housed things in a way that you could see more than one thing in the same plane of view type of thing. So, you know, I could probably fit 4 or 5 candles per, this is an 8-ounce jar, standard size. I could probably fit 5 of them across on each line, so that's 15 products there on display. 2 shelves, that's 30, that's pretty good. And this was really easy to assemble. It came flat packed. Let me show you the underside in a sec here. Okay, here's the shelf empty with nothing on it, and basically it came with the Allen key, if memory serves correctly, and you just have to screw these into the back, so it came flat packed. Very easy to assemble. It does come in different color and texture combinations. I thought this particular wood, it's a fake wood, like a veneer wood with a black metal, was quite striking, so I went for that. And also, I think you can get them in 4 tiers, and you can also get corner units. And these make for great personal display shelves, and also if you're a vendor going to any events, you can mix and match these affordably and showcase your goods. So very happy with these. I think you'll be too.